Live.
Good morning to one and all. Kasturba and Lakshmibai House welcome you to today's function. What does it mean to be a woman? Does it mean to be empathetic, brave, fierce, compassionate? Contrary to patriarchal belief, femininity is not synonymous to being fragile or weak. The fact is, femininity can mean anything and everything. It holds tremendous power and truly is a force of nature capable of miraculous things. The power of femininity manifests and represents itself in goddesses, birth givers, warriors, caregivers, among many more. It has a strong presence which can be felt all around us. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. Keeping the same thought in mind, Kasturba and Lakshmibai House present today's function on the theme Abla nahi tu sabla hai, रण में लक्ष्मीबाई है, घर में कस्तूरबा है. On this note, I would request Nishi ma'am to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you, Anya. Beautifully spoken, beautifully written, and beautifully spoken. Thank you for that. See, firstly, good morning, children, parents, and teachers. These two houses came together. We did not know what theme they would take, and this is what has developed. As you go through the program, you'll realize how beautifully and how strongly the Nari Shakti, the theme that they have taken, has been treated and how strongly it comes across. Just one thing, girls become sensitive as they grow. I personally feel more work is required to sensitize the boys. For them to understand, for them to treat girls as equal, for them to treat girls with dignity, and for each other to treat each other as equal and in a respectful manner. Because it is men and women that complement each other. जैसे हमारी संस्कृति में कहते हैं एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं, तो कोई ऊपर नहीं है, कोई किसी से कम नहीं है. और अगर contribution of women is taken to the optimum that they can contribute, the world will be a place which will be transformed. Because you can think they're not 50% of the total population, they're less. We understand all that, the reason and the ratio. But how much of contribution is which is untapped? Once women are empowered, what wonders can happen in this world? So with that thought, with that emotion that our young boys, young men, they'll also understand what we are trying to say through this theme. One more thing, children. Tomorrow is Sardar Patel's birth anniversary. That is observed as the National Unity Day. And some of you will recall, we used to have a run for unity. Last year we did it. The place was polluted, it was felt, but inside our school it is pretty fresh and the air is clean, even if Delhi, the pollution levels are bad, like it is again this year. But I remember we had a run for the children of class 9 and 10, and children were happy. It is a day which is celebrated because Sardar Patel, as a statesman, he brought about a complete unification of the country. The British left in 47. They would leave behind independent only those areas that they had actually brought under their power, that they were controlling. There were more than around 500 princely states. So India would be called, as has been referred to often, a moth-eaten India. He was the person with his iron will, he's called the Iron Man of India, brought all principalities, all regions that were still under the French or the Portuguese, everything together, making India united and strong. We remember him because tomorrow's function is in the evening tomorrow. So I thought I must mention that. We must recall this. We must appreciate and revere him for that. Okay, his birthday is tomorrow. Now with that, my best wishes to the two houses because it is a competition. I ask Anya to continue from here. Over to you, Anya.
Thank you, ma'am. In the spirit of tradition, let's start our day by invoking the blessings of the Almighty and reciting the school prayer. We are privileged to have with us our Honorable Judge, Dr. Shailendra Vyas. Sir is currently the Director and CEO for BioHeaven 360 Genotech and Director and CSO of Avians Biomedicals. He also holds the position of Vice President and General Secretary in the Federation of Indian Industry. He is the founder trustee in Trust Theatre Research Unit for Stage Tools, and he is also a part of the academic board of several universities and institutions. Welcome, sir. We are truly honored by your presence.
Devi Durga is the mother of all creations. Endowed with 3 eyes, the Divine Mother has manifested in thousands of forms to accomplish different tasks in this universe. Devi represents all the 3 times of the past, present, and future. Some of the most important tasks of the Mother are destroying the demons and protecting the pious people. She resides in places where her names are chanted with devotion and faith. Devi mantras are powerful chants to win the blessings of Ma Durga for a secure life. Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Meaning, Ma Durga is the most auspicious one and the one who blesses all the worlds with prosperity and auspiciousness. The pure and holy Mother protects those who surrender to her, and she is the daughter of the Mountain King when she incarnated as Gauri. We bow down to the Divine Mother and seek her blessings. Mahishasura Mardini is a song which talks about the greatness and the glory of Goddess Durga. She is the one who kills Mahishasur and takes off all negativity. She is the most powerful. Tu khud ki khoj mein nikal sets the tone to inspire confidence among women and inspire them to grow, and also encourages them to use the chains that hold them back as an ornament, and also to break away from old and orthodox traditions. So now here is a presentation comprising of Kathak and Orisi dance forms invoking Ma Durga's blessings.
जो कुत्ता का जाल है, तो आरती की नौकरी
Rani Lakshmibai is known for her dauntless and valiant acts in fighting against a tyrannical regime. Almost 200 years after her existence, she is still a potent symbol of female strength. She teaches us to be courageous in the face of adversity, maintain candor and integrity, to stand by our principles even if we stand alone. Lakshmi Bai House strives to stand for the same bravery, perseverance, compassion, determination, and leadership that she demonstrated in her life. As students of this house, we aim to uphold these values in every aspect of our lives. Leaders instill in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. The student leaders of Lakshmi Bai House aim to achieve such standards of leadership and have been a strong impetus in the successes of the house. The captain and vice captain of the house in the academic year 2019 to 2020 are K. Shiva Sai and Aditi Bajaj respectively. The captain and vice captain of the house in the current academic year are Aditi Bajaj and Mehak Rawat respectively. The prefects and deputy prefects from Lakshmi Bai House are the environment prefect Anya Minhas, the discipline prefect Vasu Jain, deputy co-scholastic prefect Murchana Saramaha, deputy media and communication prefect Pallavi V. Nair, and deputy community development prefect Suhani Mehendi Rata. The torchbearers from Lakshmi Bai House are Amrapali Nayak, Shikaina N. Rao, and Zoya Chaudhary. The member of the editorial board from Lakshmi Bai House is Chandrama De. Robert Collier once said, "Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out." The students of Lakshmi Bai House have performed exceptionally in academics from classes 6th to 12th. For class 12th in the science stream, S. Kanda has scored a full 100 in mathematics, Nandini Chabra has scored 99 in accountancy, Shambhavi Srivastav has scored 99 in political science, and S. Sham has scored 99 in political science as well. For class 11th, Vasu Jain has secured the third rank in his class by securing the highest marks in mathematics with 95, in physics with 87, and chemistry with 91. Chandrama De has secured the highest marks in English with 79 marks. Insha Mansoori has got the highest marks in physical education with 73 marks. In class 10th, Dhruv Grover became the batch topper with a percentage of 97.2. He scored the highest marks in mathematics with 100, English with 99, Sanskrit with 98, science with 94, social science with 95. Pallavi V. Nair scored the highest marks in French with 99. Suhani Mehendi Rata scored the highest marks in social science with 95 marks. Dev Khurana scored the highest marks in Hindi with 95 marks. And Akshata Jaitley scored the highest marks in mathematics basic with 74 marks. For class 6, Hargun Kaur Chawla scored a percentage of 93.75 and Moana Gupta scored a percentage of 92.81. Confucius said, "It does not matter how slowly you go, so as long as you do not stop." Perseverance and determination are qualities that are essential ingredients in the recipe of success. Students of Lakshmi Bai House have demonstrated the same in their performance in co-curricular activities, and the annual athletic meet. Akshata Jaitley of SS1A secured the first position in the Winter Junior Golf Carnival. She also secured the first position in the Greens to Glory Golf Tournament and qualified for the Callaway World Championship and International Golf Championship. She also secured the first position in Wishtown Girls Golf Tour. Antara Chatterjee received her certificate for completing a decade of classical Odissi dance and received a third prize in an inter-school competition. Dhwani Khanna has received her certification for being trained in Kathak for 6 years, and Utkarsh Gupta has received his certification of the first and second merit in from Trinity Rock and Pop drum exam with the grade. Netya Gupta of S2B has secured the third position in Maths Symphony competition. Aryan Jaitley of M3D has won 1 trophy and 2 medals, gold and silver, in the pistol shooting. Chandrama Dey of S2B has secured the position as the best performer in Sarla Birla debate and the best entry in critical thinking conclave debate. Pallavi V. Nair of SS1B secured the first position in the Inter-School Trophy Designing Competition. Anya Minhas of SS2D has secured the third prize in Tagore International Schools Competition Polaroid, a high commendation in Concordia MUN, Best Delegate in Indianite MUN, and represented the school as a student panelist in a webinar organized by Association for Primary Education and Research. The achievements of Lakshmibai House for the athletic meet are as follows. In the sub-junior category girls, running on the spot, Moana Gupta M2B has secured the first position and Devanshi Shakhya of M2C has secured the second position. For push-ups, Shrimoy Das of M2A has secured the second position. For jumping jacks, Moana Gupta of M2B has secured the second position. For 4 into 30 seconds rope skipping relay in the junior category girls, Apurva Gupta of S1D, Tavisha Kumar of S1C, Antara Chatterjee of S2B, and Gitanjali Dey of S1A have secured the third position. For 4 into 60 seconds rope skipping endurance relay, Apurva Gupta of S1D, Tavisha Kumar of S1C, Antara Chatterjee of S2B, and Gitanjali Dey of S1A have secured the third position. For running on the spot, Ehlam Sayyed has secured the third position. For mountain climbers, Soumya Gupta has secured the first position. For running on the spot, boys, Shreyas Das has secured the third position, and burpees, Himanshu has secured the second position. For 4 into 30 seconds rope skipping speed relay, boys, Sanat Kapoor, Shreyash Das, Himanshu, and Jayesh Sharawat have secured the third position. For 4 into 60 seconds rope skipping endurance relay, Sanat Kapoor, Shreyash Das, Himanshu, and Jayesh Sharawat have scored the second position. In the senior category girls, Pallavi V. Nair, Akshata Jaitley, Mehak Rawat, and Insha Mansoori have secured the second position in the 4 into 60 seconds rope skipping endurance relay. For burpees, Pallavi V. Nair has secured the second position. In senior category boys, Divyanshu Singh of SS2D has secured the second position in burpees, and Prakhar Bansal of SS2D has secured the second position in running on the spot. In the M1 and M2 alternate handball toss tournament, B. Diyan of M2C has secured the first position. We would like to conclude by stating that unity is what binds us all together and we work better as one. Now I would like to invite Hiteshika to present the house report of Kasturba House.
Kasturba House has stood up to the values of Ba with the utmost sincerity, dedication, and a holistic approach. The Kasturba House believes that together we can always achieve more. Compassion, determination, and respect for one another have always been the roots of our house. We stand by the famous quote, though all the fingers are not alike, the power of fist which brings the five fingers together is immense. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. A very famous quote by Warren Bennis. The student leaders of Kasturba House for the year 2020 and 2021 are as follows. The captain for the year 2019-2020 was Rashi Agarwal, Vice Captain Hiteshika Kashyap. The captain for the year 2020-2021 is Hiteshika Kashyap and Vice Captain Tanya Chandola. The prefects for this academic year are as follows. The media and communication prefects are Ishita Bansal and Roshan Kumar Sahi. The literary prefect is Sid Mamtani. The deputy prefects for the year 2020 to 2021 are Devapriya Mukherjee, Environment Deputy Prefect, and Ishan Sen Gupta, Pro-Social Deputy Prefect. The torchbearers for this year are Vineet Kaur Sahi and Vaishnavi. Aristotle rightly said, excellence is an art won by training and habituation. Students of Kasturba House performed exceptionally well in academics in the year 2019 to 2020. Ryan Gupta of SS2D scored 100 marks in history. Pallavi Suhasaria of the commerce stream scored 99 in accountancy. Molly Sharma of humanities stream scored 99 in political science. Students of 12th grade who scored 90% and above are as follows. Molly Sharma scored 96.4%, Ryan Gupta scored 95.6%, Pallavi Suhasaria scored 94.2%, Bhavna Mangla scored 92.4%. Japneet Kaur scored 92.2%, Manleen Kaur Sabharwal scored 91.6%. Rudraksh Kaushik scored 91.4%, Rashi Agarwal scored 90.6%, and Atman scored 90.6%. Students of 10th grade also achieved great academic excellence for the year 2019 to 2020. The students who scored 90% and above are as follows. Vaishnavi scored 94.4%, Devapriya Mukherjee scored 94.45%, Anuvansh scored 91.6%, Ishan Sen Gupta scored 90.4%, Arushi scored 95.4%. The toppers from 11th grade for the year 2019 to 2020 are Sim Mamtani, the humanities stream, bagged the first position by scoring 76.2%, and the highest grade in history was 87 marks. Suvan Gupta of the humanities stream scored the highest number in painting, that was 92 marks. The 8th grade topper for the year 2019 to 2020 was Ananya Maharana of 8A with the percentage of 92.3%. She also scored the highest mark in Sanskrit and social science, which were 95 and 98 respectively. The 7th grade topper was Samadhika Datta Gupta of 7th T, who scored 92.1%, and the highest mark in Sanskrit and Math which were 95 and 93 respectively. The arts are an essential element of education. Just like reading, writing, and arithmetic, music, dance, painting, and theatre unlock profound human understanding and accomplishment. The students of Kasturba House have shown excellence in inter-school activities. Our inter-school achievements for the year 2019 20 to 2020 and 2020 to 2021 are as follows. Sohini Banerjee of M1D bagged the first position in one-act play organized by Army Public School. Samonrita Datta Gupta of M3B bagged the second position in Sanskrit Divas inter-school competition. Ananya Maharana of S1A bagged the first prize in Sanskrit creative writing competition and also secured the second position in National Science Olympiad. Darius Singh of SS1C was a part of the 65th National School Cricket Tournament. Soham Srivastava of SS1B bagged the third position in PowerPoint presentation making conducted by Maharaja Agrasen Modern School. Arpit Chanana of SS2B bagged the third position in animation under the theme Fun with Science, which was held on the 11th of July 2020 in Gyan Bharati School. Sid Mamtani won the best performance at district level in Saksham National Quiz competition organized by PCRA with the cash prize of Rs 2,000. He won the first place in Canara Bank Knowledge Champ Quiz competition at the Delhi NCR level with the cash prize of 50,000 rupees. He also won third place in Enship Commerce Quiz organized by DPS Architect. He won the Best Delegate with the cash prize of Rs 1,000 by an annual organized by the Indian School. He won the Codec Quiz, Science Technology, which was organized by Villa Vidya Nigatan, and he bagged the third position there. He also bagged the first place in Quiz Tricks, a technology quiz organized by Tagore International School. He won the Best Delegate at Elexir NUN with the cash prize of Rs 600. Hideshika Kashyap won the third prize in Best Film category in Tagore International School competition Polaroid. She directed and scripted the entire film. She also bagged the second position in St. Anthony's School, St. Anthony's Senior Secondary School in Minodrama competition Angels in the Sky. In the same category, our school won the third in Best Film. Roshan Kumar Sahu, Sugan Gupta, and Hideshika Kashyap were a part of the same team. Gold medals aren't made of gold. They are made of sweat, determination, and a hard-to-find alloy called guts. The athletic meet results for the year 2020 are as follows. We begin with the sub-junior category, and Sohini Banerjee of M1D bagged third position in running on the spot event. Anushka Mishra of M2A bagged the fourth position in the push-ups event. In the sub-junior category, rope skipping speed relay, the girls of our house won the third position. Harshita Bareja, Radhika Singh, Tanya Sodhi, and Anushka Mishra were a part of the team. Sheriff Singhania of M3D won the second position in running on the spot and first position in jumping jack. Sheriff has also shown brilliance in the sport cricket, and he was adjudged man of the tournament in Bharati College. In the rope skipping relay sub-junior category, The boys of our house bagged the first position. Kairav Singhani, Yug Gupta, Kabir Chopra, and Neem Talukdar were a part of the team. In the junior category, in the girls, Jia Arora won second position in running on the spot and also the third position in mountain climbers. In the senior category, Daman Jangia of SS2B won the first position in running on the spot. Dipesh Kadam of SS2D won the first position in burpees event. In the senior category, Daria Singh of SS1C also bagged the second position in mountain climbers. In the senior category, rope skipping speed relay, our boys won the first position. Daria Singh, Dipesh Kadam, Krish Singhani, Naman Jangira were a part of the team. The rope speed sprint tournament was an intersection event held in July for the sub-junior category. Kairav Singhania of M3D won the first position and Kabir Chopra of M3D won the second position. Dhairya Singh is an exceptionally talented student of our house and has won various medals for his cricket achievement. He won the first position in under-17 cricket zonals. He has participated in the Cricket SGFI National Games held at Daman and Diu this year. He was also selected in the Delhi and District Association Under-16 team. Krish Singhania of his S1C is also a gem that Kasturba House has. He's won nationals in the Delhi team under-17, in the 64th national game Jamnanagar, which was held in Gujarat in 2019. He was awarded the Outstanding Achievement in Cricket by the school in 2019. He took Gyan Bharti School to the top position in South Delhi Zone 23 under the school games competition in 2019 and 2020. Sark Mamdani of 6th class bagged the zonal rank 36 and international rank 698 in National Science Olympiad of 2019 to 2020. I would like to conclude our house report by a very famous quote by Benjamin Franklin, which says, "Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning." Thank you.
When we talk about music, we are talking about all the instruments like drums, piano, guitar, and how amalgamation of these sounds is pleasing to our ears. We all have some songs we love to sing and dance to, right? Wouldn't life be a little boring without music? It is something we all need to enjoy our days slightly more than we already do because music adds more color to our lives. Music is a universal language and it is one of the best things that bring all of us humans together. It has the power to make us all feel happy, and this is why people all around the world love to listen to and even play music. Kasturba and Lakshmi Bai House students present for you all an entire music ensemble of percussion and melody instruments. This orchestra presentation has incorporated a famous musical piece from an old TV serial, Mahabharat, in praise of the heroic woman character, Jhansi Ki Rani. The complete gamut of various instruments beautifully played in this endeavor will transport you to the ancient era and invoke a great patriotic fervor. The composition is based on 8x8 beat, melody F minor scale with various musical instruments like string stone through keyboard, violin, piano, electronic drums, tabla, harmonium, acoustic guitar, electric guitar, Cajun synthesizer.
की बाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
शक्ति, हम है शक्ति, हम है शक्ति, हम है शक्ति। नारी तू नारायणी, शक्ति साहस प्रदायिनी। हम है शक्ति, 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 हम है बुद्धि प्रेरणा प्रयास, हम हर अंधेरे पथ की ज्योति।
Nari Shakti Mahan. This song has been penned down by Kamal Sharma and sung by himself and Anil Grover to revere and salute the invincible and divine power of women, Nari Shakti. The song conveys that a woman is the embodiment and reflection of God. It expresses how women deserve utmost respect and care. Women have divine qualities of strength, virtue, love, and willingness to sacrifice. This song expresses the innate virtue and sacred role of nurturing and raising future generations, which earns women the highest honor and reverence and an exalted role in our traditions and society.
नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान। हे कल्याणी जीवन दानी तू है जग की शान, हे कल्याणी जीवन दानी तू है जग की शान। नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान। हे कल्याणी जीवन दानी तू है जग की शान, हे कल्याणी जीवन दानी तू है जग की शान। नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान। तेरे आंचल में ही पाया सबने जीवन दान, सबने जीवन दान। तेरे रूप अनेकों जिसमें बसते हैं भगवान, बसते हैं भगवान। तू लक्ष्मी तू शक्ति शिवा की, तू लक्ष्मी तू शक्ति शिवा की। तुझसे है ये जहान। तू लक्ष्मी तू शक्ति शिवा की, तुझसे है ये जहान। नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान। हे कल्याणी जीवनदानी तू है जग की शान, हे कल्याणी जीवनदानी तू है जग की शान। नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान। तू पावन तू मंगल करनी, तू ममता की खान, तू ममता की खान। तू है सृष्टि की माता, शत शत तुझे प्रणाम, शत शत तुझे प्रणाम। हे जग जननी हे सुख करणी, हे जग जननी हे सुख करणी। तू है दिव्य महान, हे जग जननी हे सुख करणी। तू है दिव्य महान। नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान। हे कल्याणी जीवनदानी तू है जग की शान, हे कल्याणी जीवनदानी तू है जग की शान। नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान, नारी शक्ति महान करते हम सम्मान।
संस्कृत में एक श्लोक है, यस्य पूज्यन्ते नार्यस्तु तत्र रमन्ते देवताः। अर्थात जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहाँ देवता निवास करते हैं। यानी स्त्री स्वयं देवी है, दुर्गा है, काली है, भवानी है। इसी तरह की महिमा मंडित उक्तियों से वेद, पुराण, उपनिषद भरे पड़े हैं। परंतु सत्य यह भी है कि स्त्री को जन्म से लेकर मृत्यु तक यही एहसास कराया जाता है कि तुम दुर्गा, काली, भवानी तो हो, परंतु बलहीन हो। तुम यह नहीं कर सकती, तुम वह नहीं कर सकती, ये करना चाहिए, वह नहीं करना चाहिए। जबकि प्राकृतिक एवं वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण से ये सत्यापित एवं प्रमाणित हो चुका है कि स्त्री पुरुष की तुलना में कई गुना शक्तिशाली है। बस उसे अवसर नहीं मिलता खुद को सिद्ध करने का, अन्यथा चूड़ियां पुरुषों के हाथ में होती। बा कस्तूरबा एक ऐसी ही परम स्त्री थी। महात्मा गांधी के इतिहास में उनके नाम की जगह कस्तूरबा का नाम भर लिख दिया जाए तो वही इतिहास कस्तूरबा का है। मेहंदी वाले हाथों में तलवार चमकाती रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जब युद्ध भूमि में कूद पड़ी थी तो वहां महिला स्पेशल ट्रेन नहीं चला रही थी, काट रही थी धड़ अंग्रेजों का। एक भी स्त्री नहीं थी ब्रिटिश आर्मी में। वो स्त्री जो आज 24/7 into 365 दिन लाइफ लॉन्ग घर, खेत, खलियान, दफ्तर में युद्धरत रहती है, उसकी तुलना कोई नहीं कर सकता। वही है आज की काली, दुर्गा, भवानी। आइए अब इन्हें ही पूजें, पृथ्वी स्वर्ग हो जाएगी।
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रुकुटी तानी थी। बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी। गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी। दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी।
आज से लगभग 25 वर्ष पूर्व एक स्त्री युद्ध के मैदान में अपने पुत्र को पीठ पर बांधकर जिस अदम्य साहस का परिचय दिया, इस बहादुर देशभक्त का नाम था लक्ष्मीबाई। वो कभी भी अंग्रेजों हुकूमत के सामने नहीं झुकी। झांसी के बदले अंग्रेजों ने 60,000 रुपए का प्रस्ताव रखा था, जिसे स्वाभिमानी रानी ने ठुकरा दिया। काली, दुर्गा जैसी देवियों से किसी मायने में कम नहीं थी।
कस्तूरबा, क्या कर रही हो इतनी रात तक? और रोशनी क्यों नहीं बुझाई तुमने? ससुराल में पढ़ाई नहीं होती है, काम काज करके लोगों का दिल जीतना पड़ता है। अब सो जाओ, सुबह बहुत काम है। मोहन को कल विलायत भी जाना है।
जिन अंग्रेजों से लड़ते हुए लक्ष्मीबाई ने अपनी जान गंवा दी, अब उन्हीं के मुल्क में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं।
अरे वाह वाह, क्या खूब कही तुमने तो। मेरे घर में आकर तो तुम बहुत पढ़ लिख गई हो, हिंदुस्तान का इतिहास भी जान गई हो।
जी, भूगोल भी समझने लगी।
परंतु इतिहास भूगोल से जीवन नहीं चलता है मिसेस करमचंद।
तो फिर अंग्रेजों से 60,000 रुपए की पेंशन लक्ष्मीबाई को स्वीकार कर लेनी चाहिए थी। एक विधवा के लिए काफी मोटी रकम है।
बा, मत भूलो कि रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को अपना राज्य बचाना था। वो स्त्री नहीं, एक बहादुर औरत थी। युद्ध के मैदान में तलवार चलाने वाली सिपाही थी वो।
तो मैं भी घर चलाने वाली हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पूरे हिंदुस्तान की फिक्र है।
तो तुम घर के ही बारे में सोचो ना।
सोच तो रही हूँ, पूरा भारत मेरा घर है।
तो क्या मैं इंग्लैंड जाकर पढ़ाई ना करूं?
कौन रोक रहा है? मैं तो केवल ये कह रही हूँ कि जो अंग्रेज हमें गोलियों, तोपों, बंदूकों की नोक पर रखते हैं, अब वो हमें पढ़ना सिखाएंगे। हिंदी गुजराती छोड़कर अब हमें अंग्रेजी सीखनी होगी।
तुमको अंग्रेजी से इतनी चिढ़ क्यों है? इंग्लिश एक भाषा ही तो है।
एक भाषा ही एक समाज की संस्कृति तय करती है। देखना, अगर अंग्रेज कुछ वर्ष और हिंदुस्तान रह गए तो हमारे इतिहास भूगोल के साथ साथ हमारी संस्कृति भी नष्ट कर देंगे।
कमाल है, घर गृहस्थी, चूल्हा चौका, पूजा पाठ में व्यस्त रहने वाली बा रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की जुबान कैसे बोलने लगी अचानक?
हर औरत घर में लक्ष्मीबाई ही होती है, बस उनका युद्ध कोई समझ नहीं पाता। अगर एक स्त्री का घर में खून नहीं बहता तो क्या, उसकी हड्डियों का मज्जा तो सूख ही जाता है।
सच में कस्तूरबा, अब मैं तुम्हारे विश्वास के सहारे ही विलायत जा पाऊंगा। तुम पढ़ो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की जीवनी।
रानी नहीं मोहन जी, एक स्त्री को पढ़ने समझने की कोशिश। रानी को भी तो एक स्त्री ने ही जन्म दिया है, और आपको भी।
तो देखा, देश की आजादी का ख्याल गांधी से पहले कस्तूरबा के जहन में आया था।
जी हाँ, भारत माता की अस्मिता को एक स्त्री ने समझा था, अरे बा ने समझा था।
सही मायने में कस्तूरबा लक्ष्मीबाई की ही अवतार थी।
अरे भाई, सही मायने में तो एक पुरुष निर्मात्री, अ मेकर, अ होम मेकर, अ वुमेन ऑफ सब्सटेंस।
भाई, अब तो गजब इंग्लिश बोल देते हो।
अरे भाई, हिंदुस्तान आजाद हुआ है, लेकिन क्या करे, लोगों का जहन अभी भी गुलाम है। अंग्रेजी और अंग्रेजियत का असर नहीं गया है।
लोगों को गांधी याद है, कस्तूरबा नहीं। मजाक कर रहा हूँ भाई, मजाक कर रहा हूँ।
अरे लेकिन मजाक मजाक में तो तुम सच बोल गए हो।
लक्ष्मीबाई, the झांसी, तुम्हारा हस्बैंड मिस्टर गंगाधर की मौत के बाद तुम क्वीन जरूर हो, लेकिन तुम्हारा सक्सेसर कोई नहीं है। तुम्हारा बेटा पहले ही मर चुका है, और उसके बाद तुम्हारा हस्बैंड, और जो चाइल्ड तुमने अडॉप्ट किया है वह किंग नहीं बन सकता है। तो बेटर है तुम क्वीन पैलेस में रहो। ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट तुम्हें 60,000 ऑफर करता है। झांसी तुरंत खाली कर दो। No rights of yours on Jhansi now. You are a woman. It's our advice to you that live happily with your adopted son Damodar. It will be good for your health and Jhansi.
मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। ले लेना मेरी झांसी, कोई गुड्डे गुड़ियों का खेल नहीं। आती है पढ़कर हंसी, झांसी का कोई मोल नहीं। हाँ, मैं स्त्री हूँ, सबला, लड़ूंगी जब तक जिंदा। कोई छू ना सकेगा झांसी अब, परी के गर्दन का फंदा। मैं अपनी झांसी किसी कीमत पर नहीं दूंगी।
ये लीजिए आपका टिफिन और सुची का टिफिन। सुची, जल्दी आओ बेटा, स्कूल बस बाहर हॉर्न दे रहा है। हरी आप। अच्छा सुनिए, आज का मैं ऑफिस से लेट आऊंगी। ऑफिस के बाद एक मीटिंग है। फ्रिज में मैंने खाना बनाकर रख दिया है। वॉशिंग मशीन में कपड़े भी डाल दिए हैं। अगर आप सुखा सकते हैं तो सुखा दीजिएगा। कल छुट्टी है तो मम्मी को डॉक्टर के पास ले जाऊंगी। सुची को स्कूल से एक प्रोजेक्ट भी मिला है, अगर आप वो करवा पाएंगे तो करवा दीजिएगा। अच्छा, अब मैं चलती हूँ, बहुत देर हो गया है। ऑटो वालों का वैसे भी स्ट्राइक है आज। ये ले अपनी रोटी सोटी और खेतन में जाओ। मैं भोर के 4 बजे जाग गई थी। पशुओं को चारा देकर, खाना बनाकर बच्चों को भेज दिया स्कूल में। घर आंगन भी बुहार दिया है। और सुनो, पशुओं का गोबर ले जाकर खेत में फेंक दो। थोड़ी देर में मैं भी आ रही हूँ खेत में, फसल काटूंगी। मुझे गाय और भैंस का दूध भी तो निकालना है। अच्छा चलो, फिर मैं जा रही हूँ। अरे कल तो पर्वतिया के बिटिया की विदाई है, तो मैं उनके वहां से मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए हो आती हूँ। निकिया का फ्रॉक ना फट गया है, उसको सिलाई भी करनी है मुझे, तो खेत से वापसी में एक लाल रंग का धागा और मोटी वाली बड़ी वाली सुई ले आना। अरे सुनो सुनो सुनो, एक बात तो मैं बोलना भूल ही गई थी तुम्हें। जंगल से चूल्हे के लिए लकड़ियां ले आना। कुएं का पानी नीचे चला गया है, तालाब से मुझे पानी भी लाना है। अच्छा चलो, फिर मैं चलती हूँ।
भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई।
दक्षिण अफ्रीका गई थी मैं, वापस आई तो हिंदुस्तान देखा। खेत खलियानों में हड्डियां तोड़कर मेहनत मशक्कत करते हुए औरतों को देखा, लेकिन अब गुलामी नहीं बर्दाश्त करी जाती। जेल, उपवास, सविनय अवज्ञा, नमक के लिए दांडी यात्रा, चंपारण, अफ्रीका में भारतीयों के लिए विवाह पंजीकरण न होने के कारण मोहन की अवैध पत्नी कहलाना, सब एक एक कर मेरी आंखों के सामने घूम रहा है। अब शरीर थक गया है, अब ताकत नहीं है, लेकिन मीट का शोरबा नहीं खाऊंगी। अब केवल एक इच्छा है कि भारत आजाद हो जाए।
बा, तुम चिंता मत करो, तुम ठीक हो जाओगी। तुम्हारे बिना मेरी लड़ाई अधूरी है। अब समझ आ रहा है तुम्हारा बचपन में रानी लक्ष्मी बाई को पढ़ना। तुम्हारा सपना मैं पूरा करूंगा। बा, बाई, लक्ष्मी बाई, बा, बा, बाई, लक्ष्मी बाई, मेरी लक्ष्मी, वाह।
हाँ,
शातिर अंग्रेजों, तुम सोच रहे थे कि एक स्त्री हूं तो तुम्हारे आगे घुटने टेक दूंगी। भारतीय स्त्रियों को तुम अदम गोरे क्या जान पाओगे। जीते जी मेरी झांसी नहीं छू पाए थे ना, अब मेरा शरीर भी नहीं छू पाओगे। साथियों, अब शीघ्र ही मेरी चिता जलाओ। मैं और देर तक अपने प्राण नहीं रोक पाऊंगी। हे मेरे देश की नारियों, अपने अंदर की दुर्गा और काली को पहचानो और झोंक दो आहुति में स्वयं को। कभी किसी आतिश के सामने मत झुकना।
कस्तूर नहीं होती तो क्या, गांधी होते क्या राष्ट्रपिता। वो गांधी जी की बात तो थी हिंदुस्तान की अस्मिता। बा भारत की थी राष्ट्रमाता। हे भारत की नारी सुन लो, तू बा है लक्ष्मी बाई है। तलवार उठा लेना तुम भी जब लगे मुसीबत आई है। अबला नहीं तू सबला है, रण में लक्ष्मी बाई है। घर में कस्तूरबा है, घर में कस्तूरबा है, घर में कस्तूरबा है।
We would now like to invite our Honorable Judge, Dr. Shailendra Vyas, to share his valuable words of wisdom.
Sir,
I request him to, yes, sir. Please unmute us, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah, sir. So, thank you so much, Anya. Good morning to all of you, respected Director Ma'am, Lataji, Principal Ma'am, Nishiji, all the teachers, students, and parents who are watching this show. अबला नहीं तू सबला है, रण में लक्ष्मी बाई, घर में कस्तूरबा है. No need to mention the power of women. In fact, it should not even be, it cannot be discussed. I cannot have any word wherein I can speak anything about women. But as the theme today is about Nari Shakti, let me retrospect in whatever ways, means I have learned about the power of women. Not to mention the Indian culture, there is no other civilization in the world. It speaks about the power of women in such a way which Indian civilization or Indian culture describes. भारतीय संस्कृति के अलावा और कहीं संस्कृति में हमें दिखाई ही नहीं पड़ता है. हमारे यहाँ तो it's a part, integral part of our culture, the power of women. When we talk of last event was conducted during Navratras, and just to mention, I don't know whether the students or the parents they would know or not. Many of you would know, but we celebrate Navratras twice in a year. Once when the Indian calendar year begins, Vikram Samvat Pratipada, Varsh Pratipada, we begin with Navratras. And the second Navratras come the one that we celebrated right now. So from Chaitra to Ashwin, we celebrate 2. But there are 2, these are considered the 2 Pragat Navratras, wherein 9 into 2, 18 days are celebrated only to the Shakti. But there are 2 more Navratras which is called as Gupta Navratri. And they also are celebrated twice. So 2 Pragat हैं, 2 Gupta Navratri हैं. So there are 12 months in a year. Every quarter, 3 months, every quarter begins with a Navratri. चैत्र में begin होता है, फिर आषाढ़ में आता है, फिर आश्विन में आता है, और ऐसे ही करके अंत में एक और गुप्त नवरात्रि आती है. तो 2 गुप्त नवरात्रि, 2 प्रकट नवरात्रि, 9 into 4, 36 days celebrated for this power that we call women. Women से भी बड़ा शब्द मां बन जाता है when we call a woman a mother. It gives the completeness. इससे बड़ा शायद कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. So that Indian culture itself depicts the power of women. No other civilization in the world can even think of दिस आइडियोलॉजी. ये हिंदू संस्कृति की बात करता हूँ, ये इंडियन कल्चर या भारतीय संस्कृति की जो मैं बात करता हूँ. हमारे पास में आई रिमेम्बर एक कल्याण का अंक आता था घर में. कल्याण इज इंडियन जर्नल जो इंडियन फेस्टिवल्स, उसके रिचुअल्स, उसके प्रोसेसेस, उसके बारे में हर बार मंथली ऐसा पब्लिश होता है. बट एक एनुअल कंपेंडियम आता था और उसमें मेरे को my uncle gave me Nari Ank, and that Nari Ank was this big a volume and this thick a volume. Imagine how, and it only describes about the power of women. भारतीय नारियों का उसमें पूरा वर्णन था. मैं शायद पूरा पढ़ भी नहीं पाया, इतना it's a big compendium. आज भी रखा हुआ है मेरे पास. And just a few days back somebody gave me this book, वीर माताएं. तो अगेन आई से कि हमारे यहाँ पे अगर हम एग्जाम्पल्स लेने की शुरुआत करें तो शायद हमारे यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स खत्म हो जाएंगे कि जितना हम पुरुष के बारे में कह सकते हैं उससे कहीं अधिक शायद हम नारी के बारे में कह पाए. दैट इज the power of women, Nari Shakti. We celebrated today that Nari Shakti through this function of Kasturba and Lakshmi Bai houses. शिव में भी कहते हैं कि शिव में अगर मात्रा ई की हट जाए तो शव बन जाता है. तो वो पावर कहाँ से आ रहा है? शिव में भी पावर तभी है जब वो उसमें नारी की शक्ति सम्मिलित है. अर्धनारीश्वर रूप और कहीं हमें नहीं दिखाई पड़ता है. ओनली इन अवर कल्चर वी सी दैट. प्रकृति पुरुष की बात मैंने पिछली बार भी की थी, और वो प्रकृति पुरुष जो है उसमें दोनों को इक्वल माना गया है. एक लंबे समय से ये हमारे ट्रेडिशन का पार्ट है. हिंदू संस्कृति में माँ और जो नारी है इन दोनों का इतना सम्मान है, रहा है, और वो हर जगह पे एग्जाम्पल्स में दिखाई पड़ता है. हमने आज थीम में लिया था कि रण में भी वो हैं और घर में भी वो उतनी ही समर्थ हैं, सक्षम हैं. मुझे याद आता है इसका रामायण का वो एपिसोड जहां पे कि कैकई दशरथ का रथ जो है उसका सारथी बन के और उनको युद्ध में बचाया. वो जो 3 वरदान की जो बात चलती है रामायण में, वो वहीं से उसका ओरिजिन वहीं होता है. 3 या 2 वर थे, तो कैकई उनको युद्ध से बचा के लाती दशरथ को. तो युद्ध कौशल आप देखिए उस समय से, आज की बात नहीं करूं मैं, उस समय भी की बात करता हूं. उससे पूर्व में अगर मैं इंडियन कल्चर जिसको हम 5000 और इवन मोर देन दैट, अब तो एविडेंस भी आ गए. राखी गढ़ी से अभी हमें एविडेंस मिला है कि इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन है सच ओल्ड सिविलाइजेशन. अब तो कार्बन डेटिंग से हमें पता चल रहा है. तो कहीं कहीं इतना पुराना है हमारा कल्चर. महिषासुर मर्दिनी के नाम से उसको तो इतने असुरों को, कई ऐसे असुर थे जिनको कि कोई देवता नहीं मार सकता था, एंड देवियों को अवतार लेके उनका वध करने के लिए आना पड़ा। सो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ नारी शक्ति। तो रण में भी लक्ष्मीबाई और घर में जो है कस्तूरबा, तो रण में भी उतनी ही सक्षम रही है। पद्मिनी की बात हम करते हैं, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी जब महाराणा को ले जाते हैं तो पद्मिनी ही अपने उनके साथ, उनके भाई और उनका जो भांजा था उनके साथ मिलके और फिर वो उनको छुड़ा के लाती है अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। तो बहुत दूर की बात नहीं, अभी कुछ 400-500 सालों पहले की बात। और लक्ष्मीबाई का तो आपने एग्जाम्पल दे ही दिया। उसके बाद में भी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने जब आर्मी करी तो एक पूरी विमेन रेजिमेंट, एक पूरी आर्मी विमेन की विमेन। तो हमारे यहाँ पे तो हमने हमेशा हमेशा से नारी को वही सम्मान दिया है, वही दिया है। कहीं न कहीं अगर आज की मैं दृष्टि में देखता हूँ कि जहां हमें इस बात को करना भी पड़ रहा है, तो क्यों करना पड़ रहा है, तो some deformation has come across, it seeped in somehow, and that needs an introspection. हमें उस पर सोचना पड़ेगा कि क्यों हुआ है। Where have we gone wrong? Indian culture has never considered women to be subordinate at any point. Rather, it has always considered as a persona to be worshipped. इस पूरे समीकरण को मैं देखते हुए जब आपके इस प्रोग्राम की समीक्षा करूंगा तो मैं कहूंगा कि द प्रोग्राम हैज बीन वंडरफुल। आप अपना जो थीम उसको लेके आए हैं, आपने मुझे मतलब मैं बताऊं माइथोलॉजी से लेके और करंट जो 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 कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड था, मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड था, वहां तक की पूरी पिक्चर मेरे सामने खींच दी इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू योर सॉन्ग्स, थ्रू योर ऑर्केस्ट्रा, थ्रू योर थीमेटिक प्रेजेंटेशंस। So wonderfully and so beautifully done. I congratulate to all the students and the teachers who have been continuously giving you these thoughts. It is a learning. It's a process of your learning. जो उन्होंने बताया वो केवल थीम नहीं है, केवल हाउस के 2 नाम नहीं है, केवल ये प्रोग्राम नहीं है, केवल एक प्ले नहीं है, केवल एक ऑर्केस्ट्रा या एक वोकल्स, एक ग्रुप सॉन्ग नहीं है। इसके पीछे वो सब है जो that panorama that you has presented before me today, or anyone who is watching. When we consider women, we also immediately recall कि हमारी संस्कृति में women एज persona तो ठीक है, हमने उनको देवी भी माना है, उनको वो युद्ध कौशल व्यक्तित्व जिसको कहते हैं व्यक्ति भी माना है, बट इसके अलावा हमने पूरी अर्थ को हमने एक विमेन के रूप में देखा है, जननी के रूप में देखते हैं धरती को। और इसीलिए जब सुबह उठते हैं तो हम पाँव जब लगाते हैं उससे पहले उसको छू के प्रार्थना करते हैं कि हम आपके ऊपर पाँव रख रहे हैं। तो जैसे एक माँ एक अपने बच्चे को उठाती, वैसे हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। हमारी कंट्री को हमने विमेन के फॉर्म में देखा है, भारत को माँ भारती के रूप में हम पूछते हैं। जब वो राम का एक वो आता है, मुझे याद रामायण में कहीं का है वर्णन की विभीषण उनको युद्ध के बाद रुकने के लिए जब कहते हैं तो वो लक्ष्मण को कहते हैं भी आप कहिए राम को कुछ समय रुके, तो राम उनको कहते हैं अपि स्वर्णमयी लंका, ये बहुत अच्छी सुंदर है लंका, सोने की बनी, न में लक्ष्मण रोचते। मुझे फिर भी इसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं, आई डोंट गेट लाइकिंग फॉर दिस, या मैं इसकी तरफ बिल्कुल भी अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा, क्योंकि जननी जन्मभूमि, जो मेरी जननी है, जहां पे मेरी जन्मभूमि है, स्वर्गादपि गति, स्वर्ग से भी महान है, मुझे स्वर्ग से भी अच्छी लगती है वो। तो हमारे उसमें ये पूरा वर्णन आता है, और वो वर्णन आज आपने अपने इस प्रोग्राम के थी इस मंच से दिया। बहुत अच्छा प्ले था। राजेश तिवारी सर जो है ऑलवेज आई कंसिडर कि वो जितने भी चैलेंजिंग, ही इज अ पर्सन वेयर इन ही डजंट लुक फॉर मेनी ऑफ द प्रॉप्स ऑन द स्टेजेस, मिनिमल प्रॉप्स में, मिनिमल प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ में वो जो प्रेजेंट कराते हैं। बट आज चूंकि थिएटर से निकल के हमारा मंच जो है बच्चों का घर था, तो उसमें उस बैकग्राउंड के साथ में वो जो थीम उन्होंने दिया, और आई थिंक जो लास्ट में गांधी का जो इमोशन था, मोहनदास व्हेन कस्तूरबा पासेस, फिनोमिनल, बहुत अच्छा। आई कांग्रेचुलेट दैट बॉय, बहुत सटीक एक्सप्रेशन के साथ, सटल इमोशंस के साथ दैट वाज डन। लक्ष्मीबाई को रण में दिखाते हैं, कस्तूरबा को घर में दिखाते हैं, और आज की कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड में भी आप देखिए, मैं इस मंच पे बैठा हूं, आई कैन सी 9 or 10 women power names and a single person myself. तो मुझे अब इसके आगे कुछ कहने की शायद जरूरत नहीं है। निशी मैम है, लता मैम, दे बोथ आर टेकिंग दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉरवर्ड। आप ही की गाइडेंस में ये आगे बढ़ रहा है, तो विमेन पावर का इससे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल और क्या हो सकता है। बाकी हमारे लिटरेचर में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें बताई गई हैं, आई डोंट नीड टू मेंशन देम ऑल। अभी जैसे मैं बुक बता रहा था, तो जितने देश में सुभाष चंद्र बोस हुए, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, इन सब ने जो शहादत दी है, देश के लिए अपनी कुर्बानी दी है, उन सब के लिए बिस्मिल्लाह खां, ये राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, तो ये सब जो हैं, ये सारे लोग, इनको कहीं न कहीं पे वो जो दिमाग में वो जो नोट्स डालने वाली बात है, वो थॉट देने वाली बात है, वो यहीं से आती है। The program was fantastic. I won't take any much of your time. The presentations were beautiful. I congratulate all the achievers जिन्होंने भी इस scholastic and co-curricular activities में, athletics में participate किया, and they earned a college. Paintings were so beautiful as compared to last time। जो मैंने कहा था, उसमें भी आपका मॉडर्न आर्ट भी दिखता है, मुझे ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट भी दिखता है। और पीछे मैंने एक चीज नोट करी कि जो पावर पॉइंट की जो थीम थी, उसके ऊपर आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन हावी हो रही थी। तो वो जो चेंजेस आ रहे थे उसमें, पावर पॉइंट इट्स अ टेक्निकल थिंग। पावर पॉइंट जो है बेसिकली एक टेक्निकल डॉक्यूमेंट है, और उसके ग्राफिक्स हमेशा हम सोचते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे होंगे, बट कहीं कहीं वो ग्राफिक्स जो है वो मास्क हो गए, बिकॉज योर पेंटिंग्स वर सो ब्यूटीफुल। सो अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। लता मैम एंड निशी मैम, आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट टू यू कि आपकी इस गाइडेंस में जो बच्चे सीख रहे हैं, एंड जस्ट एज वी वर डिस्कसिंग द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, दैट स्कूल is not just a methodical teaching का एक process, but it's a process of learning. Socio-emotional जो है, जो टच से जो बच्चा सीख रहा है, जो केवल आपने एक बात कही, बट उसका एक पीछे पूरा एक बैकग्राउंड जो क्रिएट होता है बच्चों का, जिसको कहते हैं cyclorama and panorama, both they get created. So I congratulate everyone, all the teachers, all the parents के आप इस स्कूल में बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, so beautiful and so learned teachers are there. And for this program, सविंदर जी हमेशा मेरे को continuously right time पे बताती रहती हैं, पूरा उनका टेक्नोलॉजिकल जो इनपुट्स रहता है, और जो आपकी टेक्निकल टीम है, I congratulate every one of you, and thank you so much for giving me time and audience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for so beautifully defining womanhood. We are profoundly touched by your views on the diverse roles played by women. Your wisdom has always guided us and helped us grow. We truly appreciate your thoughts. We would now like to invite our school director, Lata ma'am, to share her deeply valued insight with us about the function.
Oh my God. Can you all hear me? I just want one thumbs up. All right, great. I want to begin by saying, very dear children, how much I miss seeing you in person and touching you. I can't even reach out. I'm trying to reach out to Anya. I can't touch her. That's my loss. But our very respected Rishi ma'am, as your head of school, as your principal, I think painted a beautiful historical perspective right at the beginning, initiating today's amazing program. Lakshmi Bai and Kasturba House, kudos to you. all the teachers who stood behind, impossible to name, some familiar, some not so familiar, but I'd put it as Nishi ma'am and her team, Savinder ma'am and her team, all the house masters. Congratulations. I can't say more. As far as the detailing of today's program and the comments that you can elicit from anybody, I think the most scholarly, insightful, and extremely beautiful narrative description of what you did came through from our expert, Dr. Shailendra Vyas. I feel very educated listening to you each time, Dr. Vyas. बहुत आभार आपका कि आप हम लोगों के बीच में आते हैं और इतनी अच्छी तरह से बच्चों को, बड़ों को, सबको प्रोत्साहित करते हैं और बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप जो सुनाते हैं और उसको अपने हाउस फंक्शन के संदर्भ में सुनो और जानो तो ये बच्चों के लिए वो अपने आप में एक बहुत सुंदर पाठ बन जाता है। इतना ही अगर बच्चे याद रखें तो भी शायद उनका जीवन सार्थक हो, ऐसा मैं मानती हूँ। तो बच्चों, how lucky you are to listen to this extremely scholarly understanding of what you performed. So it's a double whammy. First, you perform it and internalize. You know, a performance is not a show. It is an internal discipline. It is an opportunity for you to feel something which will not be judged by marks, but something that your life will tell you who you are. So each time you come on stage, each time you perform a part, that is what was the essence of setting up a house function, is the experience, is the collaboration, is the internal growth, is the complete freedom to express yourself. Not just the drama for impact, it is the drama of your own life. And what an opportunity through the house function to watch it from inside and outside, inside of you and outside of you. Now that is, I don't know whether it's insight, whether it is farsight, whether it is foresight, but it's certainly a vision of your life. So you create it, you don't wait for instructions, because all your teachers, including all the experts like our Rajat ji or Amitabh ji or Tiwari ji, all of them can give you a support. They are like the plant. The plant has to express itself. The sunflower bends itself towards the sunlight and blooms and sways. So do the daisies, and so do the changing seasons tell you how they grow. But all of us can be only external. The experience is each one of yours. I am so proud today of watching you children that I miss every moment of reaching and touching you. So please consider this a distant hug to each one of you and see if you can feel my warmth so you glow even more. I want to tell you that khud hi ki khoj mein nikal. I mean, when you started the whole program and when I saw the beautiful dance right in the beginning, with the raising of curtains, it removed the veil of dust and came forth the beauty of children, and without a stage, feeling the stage. And of course, someone said rightly, all the world's a stage, right? No, for me, you are the stage, you are the globe, and you are everything for me right now as I watch you children do such a beautiful, you know, when you perform something classical that is so intensely Indian, that is so intensely reflective of our deep understanding of our over 5,000 year civilization, that is so descriptive of our country, our culture, our earth. We talked of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam long back before anyone called it one. Therefore, when I see that amalgamation through depictions of our own children, without ignoring all the modernities welcome. All of those. But let's not forget that even to distract and divert and to break, you still need that base, that whether it is do re mi fa sol la ti or whether it is sa re ga ma, it has to start from there and then break into its forms and formats. And you children, through your orchestra and through your choir or group song, did a fabulous job. And 3 cheers to my tech team for putting it so beautifully together. Look at this. You know, had it been a normal house function, it would go down into history as a videography which when recorded and seen, but this goes down as complete evidence of your growing up. You can see it 20 years hence, 40 years hence, you can see it 100 years hence, and this is archival in nature. So let's look at what this epidemic or how it transformed us. You know, there's something very beautiful. I think it was Einstein who said, you can't solve a problem by the consciousness that created it. Now time is out from transactions to transformations. And I think this is a golden opportunity for us to see the transformation. Dear children, I'm so glad that my life is filled with all you people, all you teachers who worked so hard behind the scenes. And today, I can't even take credit for it fully. Had it been on stage, your parents would have come as spectators. Today, the parents, the space in your house, all the world's a stage, your home is your stage. And look at the way your parents have supported you. They've become a part of the whole training procedure. That to me is a great example of collaboration. That is an opportunity for your parents to say, I did it with your teachers. Not all batches can say that. Only the pandemic batch can say that. And we don't want it to last very long. We don't want to give your parents so much credit. Seriously, I want you all back. And I want them watching the fun. So that is what I want to say. You know, and when I was I'm so happy with your reports and the art exhibition. It fills my heart with pride. The reports actually bring out a historical perspective, a database of what your houses did and how you conquered. And I can see the huge competition that's emerging. There's a lot of things that you're doing, and I'm so happy to see whether it is academic results, whether it is golf, whether it is, I noticed that things which we don't have. No, I'm seeing cricket at its highest level. I was seeing cash awards on knowledge and quiz at its highest. Was it Sid Mamtani? I'm not still familiar with all the names, dear children. Pardon me for that. But some names that I caught it does not mean the others were less important. It's just that I'm trying to get familiar. I think some names which I have here, Aryan in pistol shooting, and you know, I look at sports, and Sid Mamtani with his quiz, and was it Drishya Singh with cricket under 17, and someone,
Dhairya.
Dhairya, okay, Dhairya, and some Krish Singhani, I hope
Krish
my name is
Singhani.
right, went up to SGFI. Oh my God. May this tribe increase. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich like a lily in bloom, said a great poet. So I want this tribe to increase, Abu Ben Adam's part, right? That is what I want. We can go on, children. You've done a wonderful job of your play. I think there could not be a better narrative than what Dr. Vyas expressed, encouraged, epitomized in his entire narration of how you did your play. Abla nahi to sabla hai, ran mein Lakshmi Bai ghar pe कस्तूरबा है, और घर पे कस्तूरबा का रन और लक्ष्मी बाई का घर उसके रन पे, बच्चा साथ में. So I see another aspect, that Lakshmi Bai's home was her field and Kasturba's home was her field. I mean how many forms, and like he said, whether it was the earth or the country or your home, it is all knitted together by that one Nari Shakti. Beautiful. And thank you. I've grown up with a lot of traditions, Dr. Vyas, and I understand both the Navratris. But I've never paid attention to the Gupta Navratri that you mentioned. And thank you for that information. I feel enriched. Maybe I will do some more work on that to figure out some more details on it. But Gupta Navratri has never been in my active learning. So thank you so much for that information. Children, we can go on. I know you've had a long celebration, but it may be enough for you, but never enough for your teachers, because we live through you. And the more we talk about it, we get a feeling of extension of our own lives. Thank you, children. Thank you. Anya's name I'm a little more familiar than the young lady who presented the other. Please, can you tell me her name, Nishi?
Hiteshika.
Hiteshika. So I want to, since you guys.
No, Anya, the other.
Ma'am, it was Anusha. Lata ma'am, it was Anusha.
Yes. Okay, Anusha. And all the children whose name I've not taken even dearer, because I've not even said your names and got happy with it. Congratulations again. If this is the way the competition emerges, Dr. Vyas, you're not in a happy stage, and I'm the happiest of all. I'm in the happiest position watching them. But if this is the level of competition, I wish all these children and the school really, really well. Savinder, your hard work, all the housemasters, your hard work, your imagination, your creativity is just blooming. God bless all of you. Congratulations again. Thank you so much, each one of you, for this absolutely beautiful morning that I've had.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. On behalf of Kasturba and Lakshmibai House, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who helped in making this function a success. We thank Lata ma'am, Nishi ma'am, and Sanjay sir for guiding and supporting us all throughout the way. We are also grateful to Dr. Vyas for taking time out of his busy schedule to attend the program and give us his valuable inputs. Tiwari sir, Indra ma'am, and Aditi ma'am for guiding and helping the students in presenting such a powerful play. Devashish sir and Raja sir for helping in making such a symphonic presentation of the orchestra. Shruti ma'am for guiding the students for such a melodious group song, and Ashwini ma'am for the beautiful invocation. Savinder ma'am and all the computer teachers for helping us present this function on a virtual platform. We would also like to thank our house masters, Kriti ma'am and Sudhir sir, and all the house teachers for helping us throughout the way. We also appreciate Hiteshika Kashyap, Sugandh Gupta, Parv Marwaha, Rishi Bugalia, and Divyanshu Singh for their efforts in making this production a success on and off the screen. We would also like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the school staff and all the bhaiyas and didis who helped us in shooting live on the school campus. And lastly, we would like to thank our audience, without whom this function could not have been a success. We conclude this function by wishing you all the best of wishes on the auspicious occasion of Prophet Muhammad's birthday. Stay safe and have a nice day. Thank you.
Very good.